How to connect Spotify to Discord mobile. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Discord app. Okay, we're gonna wait up for a few moments, and as you can see right here, this is the messages section. What you're gonna do, you're gonna click on you, okay, at the below right. Okay, now what I'm gonna do at the next step, I'm gonna click the settings gear at the top right. Okay, and from there I'm gonna see multiple options. I want to focus on the connections. Okay, and from there what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here that I don't have connections, new connections. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on add at the top right. Okay, and from there I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here there is a Spotify app right here in front of you. Go ahead and link it. Okay, and it's gonna open up a window to link our account on Spotify. Go ahead and continue with Apple, or if you have email or username, go ahead and add that too. And as you can see right here, I'm gonna wait up after I confirmed my Face ID. And as you can see right here, it is connected to my Discord. Now I'm gonna close the window after clicking done. Now as you can see, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna click connections again. And as you can see, I connected my account on Spotify to Discord through my mobile. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.